Hello everyone, my name is Ahmed. I'm studying aeronautical engineering in Nanjing University of Aeronautics and Astronautics in China. So today I would like to talk about ecological civilization on the topic of wildlife conservation. So wildlife conservation means the act of protecting plants and animal species and their habitats. As a part of the world's ecosystem, wildlife provides balance and stability to nature's process. They also promote biodiversity to support the growing human population while preserving existing species and their habitats. So, how can we conserve the wildlife for the future generations and how can we control the wildlife population from extinction, which mostly resulted from human behaviors? The first thing to know is the main goal of wildlife conservation is to ensure the survival of these species and to educate people on living sustainably with other species. As a part of ecosystem, we live mutually dependent variety of species in this world. That means without the existence of other species, lives for others cannot take place. So wildlife provides balance and stability to nature's process. But uncontrolled human activities tend to destroy the wildlife environment in which most of the time they are influenced by advance of science and technology, like deforestation, mining, trawling, climatic change, pollution, poor agricultural activities, and so many others. Now, how can we control the wildlife conservation to the better share the future life for all these species inside the ecosystem? First thing to do is planting of native plants and putting out water sources so that we can provide food, water, cover, and places to raise young that wildlife need to survive. So doing this will solve many problems of deforestations, urbanizations, and agricultural expansions in which most of the time destroy the life of wild animals. Second, problem like bycatch and the overall problems of overfishing sea, like there are no clear solutions, but there are possibilities. So there are modifications that can be made to nets and fishing gears so that fewer or non-target species are caught up in them. In shortly, modification in the nets must be applied. But the simplest way is shutting down the fishing industry, but also it is the hardest solution. So this solution may work, but may result other negative side effects to people along the coastal area into the unemployment state. But for the case of wildlife conservation, may work for sure. Third solution is massive protection of wildlife resources. The mass protection of wildlife resources may prevent problems of poaching of wildlife. We have to ensure we put more security and we enhance laws for all people who will kill wildlife, since wildlife are the most important for the existence of humans and many organisms in the world. They play the best role in the carbon cycle. The fourth one is we have to limit the use of fossil fuel for all means, that we have to protect different species from extinction. For example, carbon dioxide is one of the biggest global warming pollutants, which is the product of human activities such as burning of fossil fuels for our vehicles, heat, and power generation. So it is said that even we stop burning of fossil fuels right now, the carbon dioxide already in the atmosphere will continue to contribute to air pollution and the climatic change for hundreds of years. So, but instead, we have to rely more on the renewable energy sources. And lastly, we have to educate people on the importance of wildlife conservation, since conserving wildlife means we are ensuring that the future generations can enjoy our natural world and the happy shared interactions of incredible species that live within it. Thank you so much.